A roll because after I deep cleaned the house, I Instacarted groceries to meal prep for the week for both me, my daughter, and my other half. So, you know, that is wifey of the year right there.
What are you making?
Where did you take that from?
For today's lunch, I meal prep just ground beef, seasoned it with taco seasoning, and threw in some frozen vegetables. So this week, I meal prepped bacon, eggs, and rice for Tay. To make it easy, I just get the ready-made bacon and I just throw it into the container. So when it's time for him to eat, he just has to heat everything up and it's good to go. Then for my lunch, I just seasoned some chicken, baked it, and I'm serving it with rice and broccoli. Then for breakfast, I made some egg cups with broccoli and cheese and just packed it up in some Ziploc